Let's play with indices, guys. We have a simple quiz here. It says, which number is larger, 3 to the power of 75 or 2 to the power of 100? We are given two numbers, and we just want to determine the one that is larger between them. It is very simple. We just need to play around with indices. If you understand the law of indices, it's going to be very helpful here. What you need to do in this condition or in this kind of question is to make the bases the same or make the powers the same. Once you are able to do that, you can then determine the larger one very easily. This is what I mean. In this case, it is going to be, we cannot make the bases to be the same. There is no way you can express 3 in the base of 2, and there is no way you can express 2 in the base of 3. But we can play around the powers. So let us look more into the power. What can we do to the powers to have the same number? What you need to do is to find the highest common factor between 75 and 100. And of course, the highest common factor between them is 25. If you don't know how to find highest common factor, you can just Google it or recall your basic level mathematics on how to find HCF. The HCF between 75 and 100 is 25. 25 divides 75 to give you 3. That means the product of 3 and 25 will give you 75. So we can write this as 3 to the power of 3 times 25. 3 times 25 gives you 75. If 25 divides 100, you are going to have 4. It means we can write this as 2 to the power of 4 and times 25. The product of 4 and 25 gives 100. Now we have 25 at the power. We also have 25 at the power. So we are getting closer to our answer. According to the law of indices, since these two multiplies each other as the power of 3, you can separate them and attach one of them directly to 3. And we are definitely going to attach the power of 3 directly to the base of 3 here. So we can have 3 to the power of 3 all raised to the power 25, because 3 can multiply 25 as the power of power law, just as we have here. Similarly, 4 can be attached to the base of 2 because 4 times 25 is the same thing we have here. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So on the left hand side, we have 27 raised to the power 25. On the right hand side, we have 16 raised to the power 25. Now we have equal power, 25, 25. So you can neglect that. Check the bases, 16, 27. Which one is larger? 27 is obviously larger. What it means is that 27 to the power of 25 is bigger than 16 to the power of 25. Consequently, 3 to the power of 75 is bigger than 2 to the power of 100. So we can conclude that 3 raised to the power 75 is larger. And that is the answer to the question. Very simple, straightforward. All you just need to do, like I said before, is make the bases the same or make the powers to be the same. If you understood it, try this. Which number is larger, is smaller? 3 to the power of 80 or 9 to the power of 30? Please put your answer in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like it, share it to your learning colleagues and friends, and drop your comments in the comment section. Follow our page if you have not done so, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are watching us from YouTube. Thank you for watching.